There is nothing quite like the feeling of the sun on your face and the wind in your hair while you are cruising down a scenic highway. And that experience is exactly what a cabriolet, or a cabrio for short, is designed to deliver. In the United States, we usually just call these convertibles. These are vehicles with a roof system that can be folded down or completely removed, featuring either 2 or 4 doors and fully retractable side windows. The style and functionality of these cars can vary wildly depending on the brand you choose. Some models come with a classic soft top, made of high-quality fabric or leather, while others feature a retractable hardtop that gives you the quietness and security of a standard coupe when the roof is up. You will even find some unique designs where only the center section of the roof peels back, leaving the side pillars and windows in place for added structural rigidity. These cars are incredibly popular in the Sun Belt states like California and Florida, where the weather is perfect for open-air motoring almost year-round. However, owning one requires a bit more attention to detail than a standard car. You have to keep an eye on the seals to prevent leaks and occasionally treat the roof material to protect it from UV damage. Modern convertibles are engineered to be just as safe as their fixed roof counterparts, often featuring reinforced frames and roll bars that pop up if the car senses a tip. Whether you are looking for a sleek 2-seater roadster for weekend escapes or a 4-seat convertible for a stylish family cruise, this body style is all about the emotion and freedom of the drive. It turns a boring commute into an event, making every trip feel like a small vacation regardless of where you are actually headed.